So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link, which will be down below in the description, to download Microsoft Visual C++. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down until we find the x86 download and the x64 download. We're going to download both of them. You want to click on both of them. Now once they've been downloaded, you just want to right click on one of them and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both of these downloads, x64 and x86. I'm going to install x64, double click on it. You're going to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to install. Now once that's been done, we can now click on close. Now we're going to install the other one. For me it's going to be x86. Double click on it. Again, tick the box, I agree, install, and then click on yes. Wait for this to load. Now once that's been done, we can now close out of this. Now once you've installed them both, for the last step, you want to restart your computer, and this should now fix your problem.